Home Minister Rajnath Singh had some strong words for his colleague, making statements that have embarrassed the government. The government cannot be held responsible for the murder of 2 Dalit children in Haryana. Minister General VK Singh had said, as an afterthought that landed him in controversy. He added, if someone throws stones at a dog, the government is not responsible. The Home Minister said people in the government need to be more careful before they speak.
वैसे जनरल वीके सिंह का स्टेटमेंट और साथ ही किरण रिजिजू का जो स्टेटमेंट रहा, उस संबंध में दोनों ने अपना क्लैरिफिकेशन तो दे दिया है, लेकिन मैं समझता हूं कि ये हम सबको यह एहसास होना चाहिए कि हम सत्ताधारी दल के कार्यकर्ता हैं, और चाहे हम सरकार के हों अथवा संघ संगठन के हों, कोई भी स्टेटमेंट देते समय हम लोगों को ज्यादा सजग रहने की आवश्यकता है। और साथ ही इस बात का भी ध्यान रखा जाना चाहिए कि उसका गलत इंटरप्रिटेशन, उसकी गलत व्याख्या करने की कोई गुंजाइश शेष न बचे। हम ऐसे ही वाक्यों का चयन करके बोलें, यह सावधानी बरतने की ज्यादा आवश्यकता है।
जी। सर,
क्योंकि हम यह कहकर नहीं बच सकते कि इसकी गलत व्याख्या हुई है। हम सबको स्वयं सावधानी इस बात की बरतनी पड़ेगी ताकि उसकी गलत व्याख्या करने की गुंजाइश न हो।
और इन बयानों को कैसे देखते हैं आप सर?
अब हम पता नहीं, हमने बयान को देखा नहीं है, लेकिन इस पर ये सारी चीजों पर जो है बयानबाजी के बजाय जो है सो जो एक देखिए, हम लोग यदि कोई समाज में आपस में झगड़ा लगाने की कोशिश होती है तो हम उसके भी पक्ष में नहीं होते हैं, और उसके ऊपर में मान लेते हैं कि राजनीति नहीं होना चाहिए। बयानबाजी का मतलब होता है राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए।
अब ऐसी परिस्थिति में किसी इंसान को जिंदा जला दिया जाना ये महान क्राइम है, महान पाप है। और उसके बाद भी यदि कोई आदमी, चाहे कर्नल वीके सिंह हो या कोई भी हो, अगर इस चीज़ को एक कुत्ता से कहते हैं, तुलना करते हैं कि ये कुत्ता की हत्या पर सरकार क्या कर सकती है, तो कुत्ता और इंसान में फर्क होता है, समझना चाहिए उनको। प्रधानमंत्री को कम से कम जरूर चाहिए इस चीज़ को स्वयं देखें और देखने के उपरांत एक उचित कार्रवाई करें।
Pradhan of the BJP is here with us, sir. I heard you say to many people right now that VK Singh has already apologized and the matter is closed for you. But I think that's not the point. The point is that 2 of your allies, Jitan Ram Manjhi and Ramvilas Paswan, have both spoken against it. Mr. Manjhi, in fact, has used very strong words. He's called VK Singh feudal. He said that the Prime Minister should intervene. He said that there should be an apology. How are you going to placate your own allies in Bihar given the kind of situation that's brewing?
I think you have some selective amnesia. I have seen your report yesterday. No hair. I have seen that report 10 times. What you have interviewed Mr. Paswan. Mr. Paswan never disputed anybody. Anything. Please. Why you are jumping? Why you are changing your goalpost? I hope you will show this bite in toto. Please.
Absolutely.
I have read your NDTV's report. I have seen your personal interview. No hair, Mr. Paswan has said any such thing, but you are deliberately putting something, some of your idea, some of your imaginary idea in his mouth. This is unfortunate. Number 1. Number 2, already Mr. VK Singh has put his apology on the advice of Jitan Ram Manjhi, on the advice of Ramvilas Paswan ji, on the advice of central leadership. This matter has got a natural end.
And what about Mr. Manjhi, sir? He's called for an apology. He's called Mr. VK Singh feudal. He is your ally. He's a Dalit Mahadalit leader in Bihar. What about him?
Did you speak to Jitan Ram Manjhi ji?
He's given an on-record bite, sir.
Yes, I have seen that. Don't put your words, your imaginary words. This is unfortunate in democracy.
Well, I don't think they're imaginary words, sir. He's given a very straight bite. He said all these things.
I have gone through the interview.
What do you have to say on it, sir?
You have interviewed Mr. Paswan. You have showing something else.
What about Mr. Manjhi, sir? What about Mr. Manjhi?
I have already clarified about Mr. Manjhi. On the advice of Mr. Manjhi, any indecency, any indecency in democracy is wrong, and already none else, Mr. VK Singh has put his word on record. Please don't put your imaginary idea in this kind of debate. This is distasteful.